If you're looking for a way to keep warm outside without having the actual smoke from a wood fire, then this could be it. This is the fire bowl. Use a propane tank to fuel this. Here are all of the included pieces. So you've got the grate, you've got the lid, you have a carrying bag. It even came with the lava rocks and then the actual fire bowl. And it has the cord to hook up a propane tank along with this piece and the instructions here. So let's put it together and see how it works. The first thing I'm going to do is take the lid and the lid ring and attach those two pieces. Now that that is attached here, we are going to put the legs down. So you're going to flip this on its side and make sure and press the legs all the way out until they snap into place. Now I'm going to add the lava rocks in here. I've put in one bag of the lava rocks and I can still place the grill on top right here. So that is a perfect fit. And then if I wanted to put the lid on here, that fits right on top as well. So this is going to be great for outdoor fires and just having a little bit of heat. You can use this camping in your backyard, in the patio, tailgating, whatever adventure you would like. Here it is in the carrying case. It has a zipper. It zips all the way down on the sides here. And then you've got the nice two handles, which has a Velcro piece at the top, so it makes it super easy to carry. Okay, we are attaching the plug to the propane tank. We'll just twist that right on. I'll go ahead and turn on the propane tank. So we're going to push it in and then turn it to click, and then it lights right up. And you can see this is on high and this is on low, so you can adjust it to whatever type of flame you would like. This puts off some really good heat, and the lava rocks inside are really lightweight, so it's going to be easy to transport it. It won't be super heavy, and you can just use this whenever you want to do a fire outside, so it's super nice. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.